Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Oksy Rimayana. I'm from the Faculty of Tourism and Hospitality, Padang State University. And this moment, I can speak and I can tell you about body measurement.
Okay, guys, when we will make a dress, and the first step then must be considered is how to measure the body. If the way the measure the body is right, and the resulting clothing the body will be of good quality. In taking the necessary tools such as measuring tape, pen, and book. Okay guys, that what I say about my body measurement. Good luck and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.